In this video, we will explore new free software updates for all Quest bait boats. Here at Deeper, we're working hard to continually develop our products for a top-tier fishing experience, based on real feedback from you, our customers. One of the most sought-after updates for the Quest has been the real-time 3D mapping feature. Once you're at your chosen venue, set the Quest to scan your preferred area, follow the path you've chosen, or navigate the boat manually. While the boat is in the water and scanning with its built-in chirp sonar, you can switch between 2D and 3D view at any time via an icon in the top left corner. The more you scan, the more structure you'll see, and the better you'll know where to send out the bait. Keep in mind that lakes with more underwater features and depth variation will result in more detailed 3D maps. Moreover, the more you scan over the same areas, the more detailed the map will become. As your Quest is scanning the lake bed, you'll start detecting possible fishing spots in your sonar readings, like drop-offs, bottom hardness changes, or arches indicating fish. With the new update, press and hold on the relevant part of the sonar reading to create a place mark on the map. Your phone will vibrate briefly. A place mark will appear on the 2D map at the exact location where the reading was made. You can also do the same during the rewind of the scanning session, while the boat is already out of the water, or when you are at home reviewing the scan and preparing for the next trip. Once you've placed the mark, name it and add any other relevant details to remember it for later. It will remain visible to you only. Now load your Quest with bait and the rig, and send it to the exact location marked via your sonar readings. Thanks to our precise GPS, you will hit the spot every time. To make things even more convenient, you can now turn off the white boat scan path on the 2D map. This can make it easier to clearly see your scanned areas and marked spots. When you place your Quest in the water, the home point is automatically set to that location. That's where your boat returns after scanning. The home point is also where the Quest returns if it has lost its connection or if the battery level is low. To make things more flexible, you can now edit the home point directly in the FishDeeper app by clicking on the home point icon, so your boat can return to a more convenient spot, like where you're currently standing or an easier pickup location. Change the home point after the Quest has finished its mission or when you are navigating it manually. Ready to test out the new features? Leave a comment under this video or contact us at support@deeper.eu and tell us what you'd like the next updates to be.